Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a quick thumbs up. Today we are going to talk about my skincare routine using Glow Recipe products. This is my after work skincare routine. I work super early in the morning until about late morning, early afternoon, depending on the day. So when I come home, my skin is oily, as you can tell. Like, I just got home from work. So my skin is oily, makeup is breaking down already. So I gotta wash this off my face, feel fresh, feel clean, and look cute. So we're gonna start this off. I'm gonna explain every product that I'm using and I'm gonna show you guys how I use it. Now, like I said, everything here is Glow Recipe. There's no other product that I use. Glow Recipe has been my go-to skincare product for the past month. I initially started using Glow Recipe in June. And I used like a little trial size that I got from Sephora for my birthday gift last year. I never touched it until June. And thank God I have a late birthday, so like it's not expired or anything. But used it before in June. I thought, oh, this is great. Why haven't I used this before? And then I started buying stuff in August. And then in September, I started using it on a regular basis. Now we're here in October and I love it. I'm about to go buy all the full-size bottles of everything that I use. So I'm about to drop some coin. But let's get into it right now. The first thing I do, obviously, is wash my face. So Glow Recipe has two cleansers. There's an avocado cleanser and a blueberry cleanser. I use the blueberry cleanser because I am allergic to avocado. So I have the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This is the mini version of it. But I'm gonna go wash my face and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It foams up really nicely on the skin. It is very, very gentle. Like, I have no issues whatsoever using this. I like to get under my chin, by my jawline. I like to get right up into the hairline here. And I rub it into my skin for approximately 30 seconds to a minute. And I double cleanse because I wear makeup. So I always do a first cleanse, getting all the makeup off, and then a second cleanse to really clean my skin. All right, I'm gonna go rinse this off because my 30 seconds are up. All right, so step one is done. My skin is washed. You can see all my dark spots and scars and whatnot. You get to see the real me. So there are two toners that Glow Recipe does have. They have a cloudberry toner and a watermelon toner. I actually use both toners. I use the cloudberry toner at nighttime and I use the watermelon during the day or in the morning. So right now we are going to use the Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. And that's what it looks like. And the way I apply this, it's very simple. I shake it up just a little bit. Just pour a little amount. And I just rub it on my skin. Now you could use a cotton pad if you want, but I'm at home. I'm not going anywhere. So I like to just use my own hands to really get it in there. And look, my skin looks so much better already. My skin, as you can tell, was dry right after I washed it. That's just how my skin is. My cheeks here get really, really dry. Up here, my forehead gets a little dry. And then right here in this little T-zone kind of area, oil. I have very weird combination skin. The one thing I love about this toner is that it absorbs very quickly. So the times I've been talking to you guys, it has already absorbed into my skin. Next, we have, since again, I'm at home, I'm not doing anything, I'm not going out, I'm going to use their Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. Glow Recipe has some of the cutest packaging for skincare. I have not seen any other company come out with super cute, aesthetically pleasing skincare. But I take this, I like to do one little pump, and I target my cheeks in these dry areas. Right here, right above my eyebrows. So these are my dry areas of my skin. The hyaluronic serum is great for dryness. It locks that moisture in. Again, I do a quick little pat, be like, is it absorbed? Is it in? It's in. Step 4, if you haven't been keeping track, this is step 4, where you're gonna use the niacinamide dew drops. Now there are two types of drops that this company has. Let me get the other one. So they have two. They're the same, but they're different. They're the same in the fact that they are both niacinamide, but the difference is one is dew drops, the other is hue drops. As you can tell, one is a little sun-kissed and one is translucent pink. When I'm going out, I like to use this one. I love to use the hue drops when I go out because it adds an extra glow to my skin. But like I said, it's after work, I'm at home, I'm just gonna chill, relax. I'm gonna use the dew drops. Take my little finger here. One pump is all I need. I rub it between two fingers and I kind of just swipe. And I rub it all over my skin. And one area that a lot of people tend to forget with skincare is the jawline. Like, you can get pimples here too. So I always try to get underneath my chin, go around my jawline, and it's already absorbed into my skin, which I absolutely love. My skin feels moisturized, it feels good, it feels great. And no, we're not done yet. There's one more step. And the last step is our Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. Yes, we did the hyaluronic serum. Now we're doing the hyaluronic cream. This is my last step. This is my moisturizer. There is a watermelon moisturizer. I haven't used it yet, but I am determined to get the mini and try it out. So I just take a small fingertip amount. Boop, 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 boop. It's a very small amount. I don't need too much because I already have so much else on my skin. And a little really does go a long way. You're probably like, Taylor, there's no way that actually covers all that area. As you can see, it does. Very small amount. Keeps my skin hydrated. It keeps it smooth, keeps it glowing, keeps it looking so good. And honestly, that is it. That's all I do when I come home. There will be no makeup on my skin. Sometimes what I do throughout the day, it may be like 2 or 3 hours. I like to use the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. So I'll take this and I'll spray it on my face, give myself an extra glow, a little extra hydration if I feel any dryness seeping in. Because like I told you, these areas right here get super dry. And because it is the fall season, the air is dry where I live. So my skin is going to get tighter and drier over the next few months. But that is my skincare routine after work. That's all the Glow Recipe products that I use. I will do a nighttime skincare routine for you guys because I do use another set of skincare products from Glow Recipe. I'm using like pretty much their entire collection. Well, no, not their entire collection. A good amount of their collection. And I'll explain why I like using certain things at night versus why I like using certain things during the day. All this stuff that I use right now is very light on the skin. It absorbs very quickly and it does what it needs to do. Keeps my skin moisturized for the rest of the day. Nighttime is a little different. I want a little more skincare action going on. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to do that before you leave here today. Follow me on all my social medias. Check out everything in the description box down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.